Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGems. In today's video, I will show you how to enable voice typing on the Samsung keyboard. So let's get started. First, open the setting app on your Samsung phone. Then scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, tap Keyboard List and Default. And make sure Samsung keyboard is selected as your default keyboard. Then tap Samsung keyboard and scroll down and tap Voice Input. Select Samsung Voice Input and now go back and turn on Show Keyboard button. After that, open any app with the Samsung keyboard and tap the keyboard button and select Voice Input. You can now tap the microphone icon and start detecting with your voice. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechGems for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.